Hello, welcome my friends. Today we learn about the Autocad versions. So you can clearly see the Autocad version 1 which is created in December 1982, and it was the first initial release for the Autocad, and it was a demonstration at the Comdex Computer Expo trade show, and the file format DWG R1.0 was introduced during the time of release. Then you can see the AutoCAD 1.2 version on April 1983, and it was released after the first initial version, and the file format is DWG R1.2 was introduced. AutoCAD 1.3 on August 1983, the file format DWG R1.3 was introduced. In this version, introduced add-on the feature such as configuration, justify text, adjustment of alignment and plot origin, grid spacing, large plotter, standard color numbers, and addition of header information in the DXF files. Okay. Then AutoCAD 1.4 comes into the site on October 1983, and some of the features were added such as the text format, zoom and block enhancement, new commands, H, unit, break, fillet, axis and sketch. These are the commands which are introduced in October 1983 on AutoCAD 1.4 version. Array, snap, mode, alignment, text, texture, rotation, angle and control key are the such are the commands which are introduced in AutoCAD 1.4. Followed by AutoCAD 2.0 is introduced in October 1984, and this version introduced add-on the feature such as line type, text style attributes, and the extensions of the area commands, dynamic specific angles command, save, view, mirror, row snap, Q text, V slide, M slide, and end SV or and many more. Then AutoCAD 2.1 comes in May 1985, and some of the features were added such as limit, fillet, extend, and 3D visualization is the one of the important discovery during the AutoCAD 2.1, and polylines, layer, freeze command, holding value, new command like the chamfer, de-explain, and PR plot, blip mode. Many are the commands which are created in May 1995. AutoCAD 2.5 comes in June 1986, and this version introduced add-on features such as endo, redo facility, pan, zoom, enhancement of the key, menu loading, and capacity become faster than the previous version. Okay, COP time, point plot, resume, and many more commands just like offset. Okay, offset, polygon, extend, explode, measures, sketch, and many more. AutoCAD 2.6 comes in April 1987, and some of the features were added such like the 3D lines and 3D face entities, redraw command, enhancement of the dim gene and area dimensioning variables. AutoCAD R9 is introduced in September 1987. The R is the version stand for release. Okay, so R is here is stand for release 9, and this version was based on the 1886 families of microprocessor. The R9 was the first version of AutoCAD that required an 80 into 87 math compressor, and the additional features were multiple command modifier, spline curve, which is I recently used in my video, spline curve, advanced user interface, etc. Then AutoCAD R10 is introduced in October 1988, and the added features include the several line type purge command and viewports command, and it was consist of the additional 3D capacity commands such as UC-scan, line, DVU, 3D polish, and 3D mesh, etc. are introduced. Okay, AutoCAD R11 means release 11 on October 1990, and the additional features in the R11 version include the multiple viewport, several dimension enhancement commands such as dim scale, dim bling, and dim clat, and dim CLRE. Clear? Okay, so network support features and tile mode system variables etc. are introduced in AutoCAD R11. AutoCAD released 12 on June 1992 and the R12 version is more compatible with the previous R11 version. After the configuration of this version, the AutoCAD display the graphics screen and the main menu has been eliminated. Some of the features were included such as the object snap, dimensioning, plot and H. Okay. AutoCAD R13 on November 1994 and it includes the enhancement of all the command. Okay, it includes the enhancement of all the command. AutoCAD 14 introduced in February 1997 and the added features include drawing productive tools, templates drawing, customization tools and management tools. AutoCAD 2000 when I was born. So AutoCAD 2000 March 1999 and the introduction of various platforms such as the plotting toolbars, screen layout, drawing previews, spelling checker, dimensioning style, and families are introduced in March 1999, and AutoCAD 2000i means 2000i on July. Okay, 2000i on July, and the new capacities now new capabilities were they introduced from the worldwide design community, resulting increase in the drawing productivity, performance, usability, speed, design, and the commands such as the polyline, quick select, color, plot, trims, grips, fillet, etc. were introduced. Autocad 2002 on June 2001, and this version offers the power of collaborative design and the introduction of the block edits and many more. On AutoCAD 2004, it includes the Express tools, tool plotter, sharing files and many more. AutoCAD 2005, it introduced the productivity of CAD and evolution of design technology. AutoCAD 2006, the version drafting and documentation tools such as the H block multiple lines are introduced. On AutoCAD 2007, the concept of visualizing design, share and documentations were implemented in the version of work efficiently. And the AutoCAD 2008, it includes the enhancement tables, annotation scaling, text, key, and leader enhancement. AutoCAD 9, the added features include the user interface, navigation bar, and command block array, and the purge technology IPv6 and modern interface are enhancement look. AutoCAD 2010 on the March 2009, the added feature include the 3D printing, freeform design, parametric drawing, and PDF enhancements. AutoCAD 2011 on March 2010, the features include 3D gizmos and updated UCS icon. Okay, and background and grid colors extended to X and Y origin. AutoCAD 2012, it includes the better snap mode and deletion of duplicate objects. AutoCAD 2013 on March 2012, and it has an additional feature such as offset preview, array, online enhancement, and improve the press pull command, which is used in 3D. Okay. AutoCAD 2014 on March 2013. Okay, and it includes command like the improvement, xref upgrade, and natural spot, and many more things. AutoCAD 2015, the features including drafting, viewport, resizing, block galleries, and printable online maps, and new Texas alignment. AutoCAD 2016, and the additional feature in 2016 version are the M text enhancement and smart dimensioning, easy editing version, cloud status bar, wrap and variable monitoring, etc. AutoCAD 2017, the features include are the AutoCAD app sharing drawing, center line, center mask, and many making the 3D print file. AutoCAD 2018, it includes the additional features are used. So You can see the external file references are also introduced in AutoCAD 2018. AutoCAD 2019 contains the features including the 3D map, mechanical designing, electrical designing, architect, and AutoCAD web and mobile app, raster design, and many more things. There is an MEP, which is mechanical electrical pumping, also introduced in AutoCAD 2019. AutoCAD 2020, and the features include our block, platter, enhancement, DWG, drawing, annotation, quick measurement, cloud storage, and connectivity, etc. Okay, so currently we are using AutoCAD 2024, and hope you like this video. If you like, just comment and like and share to your nearest friend. Okay, thank you so much.